contact! Thank you, sir. Hey!
Sorry.
Whoa, sorry, that was my fault.
Sorry, man.
Got a UAV at 3, got something else at 4, got something else at 5.
Yeah, if it was me, dude, in Call of Duty 4, I wanted to call in the dogs, dude.
My mags are...
Hey,
you got your PFC back.
Alright guys, get off. I'm going back to camp, take a nap. See you guys later.
That's a good game.
Good game, yeah. It's called drive in. You win, get out.
Thanks, bud.
We're gonna do some gate guarding here. We're gate guards. Let them through, bud. Can you do it? Can you do it?
Hey! We got Zionists in the truck. I'm just beside myself playing the gate guard.
I'm getting video of it.
Did that for the whole weekend.
Oh, twice!
Just make the sharp right turn. Prince Albert.
You got Prince Albert in your can? Then you better load it up.
Takes out everybody. Brakes fail! Wait!
Hard ass.
Wait a minute, they're tan in there.
Das ist nicht so gut!
Thanks, man!
Fuck Schnell! Look at this guy coming through again. Check his ID. Check his ID.
Check his ID.
Oh no, he's getting out outside. Hang on. Brett.
Border check! Border check.
No?
You didn't check their IDs!
Oh! Well, then you can go in.
Pretty.
So wrong. They're nowhere to be found.
Like this kid. I wonder if they should shoot parachute flares. Here comes more trucks.
There goes the bridge. There goes the bridge.
I love that. Apparently we blew up the bridge.
Yeah. No, the UN blew up the bridge.
Hey, guys.
Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back.
Whoa. Release this with you over there.
Good, I'm glad you're getting that.
Go on to head. Let's go. Go, Goose, get away. Go.
Watch the graves. I don't know where we're going. Let's do this shit then.
Drag the bikes to the streets. That's what he said.
From the woods.
Go, go, go! Watch your back. Hey, give us some rear security. Keep talking, I got rear.
Clear. Huh? Huh? Back. Stay back. Stay back.
Ah! I can't fucking see anything. What the shit?
Calm down, calm down. You good?
Yeah.
Go.
wrong. Pull back. What about the other guy? What about the other guy? Huh? We should get away from this fucking wall.
Two guys out
Watch
here.
the fingers.
Face out.
He has a limp too. And
Hold him.
Come out!
Bring the pilot.
You got the pilot?
Yeah, we do.
Alright. Running security for you.
Somebody else might want to come back here, man. I got no sleeves. This is all pulling.
I got no sleeves either.
We need a couple of heavy shooters back there in the backside. One on the left.
The cable guy
Almost left.
One back here.
4-3. Can't get one just clean spot. You got to do it. Oh no, no.
Hey, you got anything to say?
I'll make it right.
Please don't kill me.
We'll think about it.
To our fob. Move him to our fob.
Whoa. Saved by the bell, dude.
I got him. I got him. You guys are gonna have to drag. Where's our FOB?
He's gonna be hard to carry.
Like full.
Get more people up front.
Hey, hold that pilot up.
Hold up. Hold up. We gotta surround him.
Hey. You want to cut through the woods or you want to cut the trail?
The city is in ruins. Oh, we're at the bridge.
Yeah. It's supposed to be.
University!
Under that bridge is clear.
There you go. X-Man. How you doing, man?
That broke up in that crash, huh?
Helicopter's supposed to stay in the sky.
You want me to do what? Okay. You,
Yeah.
me, you, and you. For security for these guys here.
Damn right.
Hold him. We're gonna watch him. Everyone else is gonna go out. 4-4, come
Happy accent, lumberjack.
Guys, conceal. Find a spot. Find a spot and post up.
Busted, both legs busted, and if I'm not mistaken, 3 shattered vertebrae. Yep. Everybody else is dead, so.
Consider yourself lucky.
Yep.
For now. Do you want to convert?
Convert, we give you, okay.
Sister.
2 camels equal 1 sister.
I'll take 1 sister, no camels.
She's a big lady.
Never mind.
Big, I mean, in film. Adult film.
Oh, okay.
Yes, you've probably seen her.
Probably.
Ron Jeremy.
No.
Oh,
That's
okay.
his sister? Ooh,
Yes,
good
yes.
God.
He's nice.
Alright, let's go back to the helicopter.
Good. Whatever we gotta do, man.
If I could, I'd put a 2 or 3 on a heavy gun.
Stand by just a second, man. Good job, guys. Because we got guys kind of spread out all over the place. We want to see how many warm bodies we can get here. And then we got something from the XO coming down the pipe.
I want that big red building.
Roger that.
Okay?